Water jet machining, WJM, is a versatile process that uses high pressure water jets for cutting and shaping materials. It can also introduce abrasive particles for added cutting power, known as abrasive water jet machining, AWJM. WJM is suitable for cutting a wide range of materials, including metals, composites, ceramics, and even food products. One of its advantages is cold machining, operating at low temperatures to prevent thermal damage to the workpiece. It offers high precision, making it suitable for intricate shapes and detailed patterns. WJM is considered environmentally friendly, as it does not involve the use of harmful chemicals. It is widely used in industries such as aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing for cutting, shaping, and profiling various materials. WJM minimizes thermal stress on the workpiece, preserving material properties. It is ideal for cutting complex shapes and contours that may be challenging for other machining methods. WJM is often integrated with computer numerical control (CNC) systems for automated and precise cutting operations. While effective for most materials, WJM may have limitations when working with extremely hard substances that require specialized machining processes.